Okay, this may sound weird, but in this video, I'm going to show you an amazing strategy you can actually go on to using to making money with CPA marketing. And we're actually going to be using a very cool traffic source right here and actually get this amount of visits right now, about 3.9 million visits in the last 28 days right here. And with this particular traffic, we're not actually going to be using any form of social media platform, so we don't actually need any form of social media following, any form of social media likes. You just want to just simply use this simple strategy right now. You don't also need a website, and without actually needing a website, this is actually going to be perfect for beginners right here. So do stick on, watch this video to the end, learn this simple strategy and use that to start making money with CPA marketing, otherwise known as CPA grip right now, because we're actually going to be utilizing this platform to get offers and promote that using the simple platform, which I'm going to show you right here. And if you do analyze that platform right there, based on similar web statistics, you actually do find out that this platform actually gets most of its traffic from the United States right here. It gets about 17.62% of its traffic from the United States. So it will be quite much more advisable to promoting a United States offer. So first of all, you want to just simply head onto this platform called CPA Grip, as this is actually a CPA marketing platform where you could go on to getting CPA marketing offers. And CPA marketing actually do stand for cost per action, where you do actually get qualified leads once they actually do submit their email address or their phone numbers or their zip code or their credit card details right there. And doing that right there, you are or directing people to do that using your unique affiliate link, you actually do get paid a little commission right there. And if you do head onto this platform, you want to just simply come right here, click on register. You should be brought to this page right now, and you can actually go on to filling out this form right here. And if you fill out this form, mostly focus on the field which is actually having this red asterisk sign, as you can actually do see that it indicates the required fields which you must go on to fill in. And you want to just simply focus on every section right there. You could read through the terms of services by clicking on this section right now. You could also go on to checking these boxes out right here to actually go on to agreeing to the terms of services of this platform. And if you do that, you can then just simply generate or create your account right now by clicking on register, of which your account will actually be created almost immediately. Next, you want to just simply go on to logging into your account. So if you do take a look at this right now, you can actually do see I'm logged into my account, and what you want to do right here is to actually come to this section, click on offer tools, and you want to then go on to clicking on my offers. So guys, as you can see right here, I'm on the offer tools section right now, and you can actually do go on to seeing offers which you could go on to promoting. And right here you could take note that I actually did select the United States demographic, because this platform which we are actually going to be using to promote our CPA marketing offers actually gets its traffic the most from the United States, which is why I actually selected that demographic right there. If I actually do head onto my CPA Grip platform, I can do keep on scrolling through my offers. I can filter the offers based on payout, and you'll actually be able to see lots of offers right here. This one right now is actually a mobile install offer for your leads to actually install a mobile application on their device, and you do get paid right here $1.79. You can see this one right now is actually an email and zip submit offer, and if you do keep on scrolling through, you'll be able to see more kinds of offers right now. So you can actually do go on to selecting a kind of a sweepstake offer, maybe a giveaway offer right there, so that maybe you are giving your leads actually something to serve as a form of incentive for them to actually go on to submitting their email address, or maybe actually installing a mobile application for you, and you do get paid a little commission right there, and they actually do stand a chance of getting that incentive right now. So if I do keep on scrolling through, and I actually do go on to maybe selecting a sweepstake offer right now. So guys, take a look at this offer right now, as this page is actually still loading up. You can do see that you do go on to your leads actually do go on to earning $500 per survey right now, which if they do go on to completing this survey, they stand a chance of winning $500. And you can actually do see that this is actually an Apple iOS offer and an email and zip submit offer, meaning that your leads actually need to be using an Apple iOS device to complete this offer right now and submit their email address while going through the survey, and you do get paid $1.15. And if you actually do direct people to do this right now, you can then just simply go on to making money for every successful lead which you do get to this offer. Here is a unique affiliate link which you can actually use to direct people to completing this offer right now. And the platform we're actually going to be using to get traffic to this offer right now is this particular platform right here called the steammeet.com. And if you do head onto this platform called the steammeet.com, this is actually an amazing platform right here which you could take advantage of, as a lot of people actually do use this platform right now, and people are actually getting paid by just simply using this platform right here to actually post some cool articles. People head down to this platform, post articles. As you can see, this article was posted about 3 days ago, and you can actually just see right here which is the community creators for October. You can see some articles right here which are actually this Steammeet engagement challenge. And if you don't keep on scrolling through, you can actually go on to seeing a lot of articles from various countries right now. This one right here looks like it's from Japan, but if you actually don't know this language, why not just simply leave the language or comment the language in the description or comment section of this particular video right now. But you can actually head on, go on to actually getting some cool articles, upload on this platform right here. And for viewers that are actually coming to this platform, you can actually come right here, search for some kinds of articles or from some niches right there. And if they do find your article, they can actually go on to reading through that, and you do get paid per number of articles which you actually do, or number of views which you actually do get for your articles. And guys, you may be finding it difficult. Maybe if you're finding it difficult creating an article, you don't need to worry right here, because we're actually going to utilize an AI tool right here, such as this particular AI called the writesonic.com. And if you do head onto this particular platform called the writesonic.com, you can actually go on to utilizing this right now to go on to creating some cool articles right here. As you can see, this AI content, this is an AI content creation and customer experience platform which you can actually use right now. As you can see, your one-stop solution for content creation, audio generation, image crafting, and AI chatbot development. So what you want to do right now is to actually go on to registering for this platform. You could register for absolutely free, and if you go on to log into your account right now, as you can see, I am actually logged into my account. But you can actually take note that this particular AI actually goes on to writing some cool articles, and it has actually come up with the article writer 5.0. It also has the article writer 4.0, 3.2.0, and a lot more article writer right here. You could use it to go on to writing articles and blog posts. You could use it for art and marketing tools, general writing, and a lot more other stuff right now. So supposing I want to just simply focus on this article and blog post, I'm just going to go on to selecting one of these right now, maybe the instant article writer. As you can see, you could use this feature to switch to business plan. To use this feature, you actually have to switch to the business plan right now. So if I do click on this, maybe it's actually going to show me more details about that article writing right here, and you want to just simply go on to inserting a topic which you want to just simply focus on. So supposing I want to focus on this topic right here, which is the top 10 saving tips, I can actually go on to clicking on search keyword right now, and it's actually going to come up with some cool searches right here. And right now guys, you can actually see some keyword. You want to just simply click on some keywords right now, and if you can actually select some keywords right here, you can then just simply go on to doing this and clicking on next right now. And you can see right here, it actually generated some topic which is actually the top 10 saving tips. The keyword right here is actually how to save money. All those keywords I selected. The tone, you can actually select the tone of your choice. This is actually unprofessional. The point of view, you want to just simply select either the first person, second person, or third person point of view right now. You could actually adding call to actions if you want to add that. For this quality type, you can actually select the GPT 3.5 or the GP4. But guys, you actually need to upgrade to the business plan to use the GPT-4. And right now guys, you can then just simply select the language, and right here you could just simply start generating ideas. And if you do click on that right now guys, as you can see, it's actually going to come up with some ideas right here, and it actually came up with an idea which you actually have to select one of these ideas right now. And guys, I'm not actually going to read through this, but you can take out much of your time, read through this and select one. I did select that first one right there, and it's actually going to come up with this section, which if I do come right here, click on generate outlines, it's going to generate some cool outline based on that ideas right here. And you can see right now guys that it's actually generating 3 outlines right now. And guys, if you want to increase that, the variations, you can increase that via this section, but I'm going to leave this as it is. I'm going to just simply select this one right now, and I can then just simply click on generate article. And if I do click on generate article, this particular AI tool is actually going to go on to generating a very cool article. It even came up with a cool image right now for this particular article right here, and you can actually just see how cool it actually looks like. It's actually in the process of writing this article right now. As you can see, it's actually doing a great job. You can take out much of your time, go through this article and use that to your preference. And guys, you may be wondering, how do you use this to actually go on to promoting your CPA marketing offer? Basically guys, you can then just simply, in the middle of this particular post, you could go on to add in a simple call to action right now. Maybe you could then just simply wait for this particular AI tool to finish generating this article. So as you can see right here, I actually did stop the AI from generating this article. As it's done generating this article, you can then just simply go on to inserting, copy this, and actually do use that for your article on this Steemit platform right now. But before you actually do use that guys, you may just simply add in a simple call to action for this CPA marketing offer right here into that article right now, telling them something like grab an or click the link below to earn a €500 or $500 just by completing a simple survey right now. And if you do actually put in that right there into this article, and you do make sure that that link is actually available to them, that is the link to your offer is available to them to click in, you can actually do use that and actually post that on this platform right now, make that publicized on this platform called Steemit, and you do earn money with Steemit by the number of views which you do get to that article. And you also do go on to earning right here from that particular CPA marketing offer. Once people do click on that complete offer, and you do make some cool cash right now. You could also come onto platforms like this right now, which is Google, and maybe you may want to search for this money saving tips. If you do search for that right now, you'll be able to see lots of articles. Maybe if I do go to selecting one of these articles, you will be actually able to see more details to that article right there. And basically what you want to do right now guys is that you want to just simply copy some text of this article right here. If you do like the article and read through that, you can then just simply go on to using this article, but you're not actually going to be copying and pasting that on this particular platform directly, because if you do that, you're actually going to be faced with some copyright issues, which is why you then want to just simply go on to copy the text, actually head on to a paraphrasing tool like this particular tool right here, which is called the paraphraser.io. And if you use this tool, it's actually going to help you paraphrase that particular text and give you a new version of that text right in here. And guys, why not just simply utilize these platforms right here to actually generate articles and use such articles to promote your CPA marketing offers and start making money even as a beginner in the year 2023 and beyond. And with that being said, I do hope this video was helpful. If yes, make sure you do smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notification bell on all. So guys, see you all in my next video, and goodbye.